Hello YouTubers. In this video we're going to be changing the front fog lights on our 2012 Honda Odyssey Touring Elite. So not sure what happened, but my wife loves running behind dump trucks, and so paint chips and stuff happens to the car quite a bit. But this is the first time we've had to replace fog lights. And there are no videos anywhere that I can find that walk you through how to change out the housings and that stuff. So this is going to be that video to walk you through it. So the first thing we're going to do is cover the parts that we're going to use and the tools, and we're going to get it in the air. So let's get to it. Okay YouTubers, these are the tools you're going to need. A 1/4 inch ratchet or 3/8, doesn't matter. 8mm, 10mm, and 2 extensions, at least 10 inches in length, 9 inches in length, because that's what this is. That made it much easier to get to the one bolt that you're going to have to remove to get the housing out. All right, so let's get to the job. Our YouTubers, this is the parts I bought online on Amazon for the car. This is the part numbers. So let's open up the box. This has a wiring harness for people who want to install the fog lights that don't already have the fog lights installed. Here's instructions on it. What we're after is this guy here. So we are wanting these. So that's the passenger side. Quality looks good. We should be able to plug and play with our current connection. So just want to give you an idea of what it is we bought, what's in the box before we get to the work. We got the car in the air, ready to go, all nice and secure, and I've already loosened up, taken out the bolts that we need, which is one here, one here, one here, and one right there. So take those out. That'll loosen this pan up right here, and we're going to push back on the pan somehow with one hand and bring it down like that. Nothing broke. We're going to bend it back when we put it back in. So what we're trying to do is get access to this guy right here and loosen him out, loosen him up. So right now I'm got my hand on the, I'll show you that right there. We want to unhook our connector to the bulb. So I'm going to squeeze that off, and then we'll get in there with our tool and remove the housing. Okay YouTubers, I got the connection undone, and next we're going to grab that screw right there, unloosen that screw, and then the housing there should be a clip, which I'll show you when it comes out. You'll push that clip in and pull the housing out. So let's get to YouTubers, here's the clip that you're going to have to do. So we undid the screw here like I just said, and basically by feel I just pulled that back, and then the housing slipped out. It locks in on the driver's side back here, so it just kind of slides into a groove. You slide it in and you'll push it in, which we're getting ready to go through. That's how it works, and then that clip there locks it in place. Only thing is you got to get the screw out. So let's grab the new one. Let me clean that up. Okay, so much nicer, cleaner. Not perfect, but it's a 11-year-old car. Anyway, YouTubers, so now to get things ready, we need to take that off of the old one and pop it on the new one, and then we'll be able to pop this thing into the car. All right, YouTubers, so we got the clip moved over. We're going to pop this into that channel there. There's your clip. Now we'll screw it in from underneath how we got the other one out, and plug in the bulb, and we should be good with this side. All right YouTubers, so this is the end. I'll put a link to the product that I bought. These bulbs here, they came with bulbs. These housings came with the bulbs, so I'll put a link to that in the description below, along with the tools I used. Not much to this, very simple, quick job. easy enough for anybody to take care of. I think it hated the other one broke, but doesn't look too bad to be a 11-year-old car. Anyway, YouTubers, if you like the video, like the video.